Think AI is just for labs and tech geeks? Think again. Every time you unlock your phone, binge watch a show, or get traffic updates, you're using artificial intelligence. From Netflix to Tesla, Google Maps to smart fridges, AI is quietly powering your everyday life. In this video, we'll uncover real-life examples of AI across industries, and what it means for your future. What is everyday AI? A quick overview: AI is no longer science fiction, it's real, it's smart, and it's already here. But what does AI in daily life really mean? It means devices that learn your habits, apps that personalize your experience, machines that think, adapt, and predict. AI today is invisible, intuitive, and often taken for granted, and that's exactly what makes it so powerful. Let's break it down by industry. Healthcare. AI that saves lives. AI is revolutionizing modern medicine. Early diagnosis. AI-powered tools like Google Deep Minds AlphaFold and IBM Watson can detect cancer, heart disease, or Alzheimer's earlier than traditional methods. Medical imaging. AI scans X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans faster and more accurately than human radiologists. Virtual health assistants. Apps like Ada, Babylon Health, and even Chad GPT-powered bots help diagnose symptoms 24/7. Robotic surgery. AI-assisted robots now perform precise surgeries, minimizing human error. In 2025 and beyond, AI plus telemedicine is expected to reduce hospital overload and revolutionize remote care. Finance and banking. AI that manages your money. AI is the brain behind modern finance. Fraud detection. Ever get a fraud alert from your bank? That's machine learning in action, tracking unusual transactions in real time. Credit scoring. AI now looks beyond your credit history, analyzing online behavior, purchase patterns, and even location data. Personal finance apps. Tools like Cleo, Mint, and YNAB use AI to track your spending, predict bills, and coach you financially. Robo advisors. Platforms like Wealthfront and Betterment use algorithms to create investment portfolios, smarter than many human advisors. AI is making banking smarter, faster, and safer, especially in a post-pandemic world. Transportation. AI that drives the future. AI is literally changing how we move. Self-driving cars. Companies like Tesla, Whimo, and Cruise use computer vision and deep learning to detect pedestrians, read traffic signs, and make split-second decisions. Ride-hailing apps. Uber and Lyft use AI to match riders, predict demand, and even reduce wait times. Logistics and delivery. Amazon's AI-powered warehouses and autonomous delivery drones are streamlining the supply chain. Traffic prediction. Google Maps and Waze use AI to forecast congestion, calculate optimal routes, and give live travel updates. From smart cities to autonomous freight trucks, AI is redefining transportation logistics in 2025 and beyond. Retail and e-commerce. AI that knows what you want. If you've ever wondered how Amazon knows what you need, thank AI. Product recommendations. AI suggests items based on your browsing, purchase history, and what people like you bought. Smart pricing. AI dynamically adjusts prices based on demand, competitor data, and time of day. Customer service. AI chatbots now resolve most customer queries without humans, instantly and 24/7. Visual search. Snap a photo of shoes and find them online, thanks to computer vision plus deep learning. The goal? Hyperpersonalization, shopping tailored just for you. Entertainment. AI that predicts your taste. AI is behind the scenes of your binge watching, music playlists, and even social media feeds. Netflix and YouTube. AI recommends content based on your watch history, mood, and even time of day. Spotify and Apple Music. Machine learning curates daily mixes, mood playlists, and discover weekly just for you. AI-generated content. Tools like Pictory, Synthesia, and Runway ML are enabling creators to generate videos, faces, voices, and scripts, all using AI. Gaming AI. NPCs, non-player characters, now learn and adapt to your playstyle using reinforcement learning. In 2025, entertainment isn't just personalized, it's AI-generated. Education. AI that customizes learning. AI is transforming classrooms, coaching, and content creation. Personalized learning platforms. Khan Academy, Duolingo, and Coursera use AI to track your progress and adjust difficulty levels in real time. AI tutors. Chad GPT and tools like Scribe Sense give on-demand explanations, correct homework, and offer writing feedback. Smart classrooms. AI tracks student attention, analyzes facial expressions, and recommends engagement strategies to teachers. Exam proctoring. AI monitors test takers via webcam to detect cheating. AI makes learning flexible, personalized, and scalable, from home or anywhere. Smart homes. AI that lives with you. Your home may already be smarter than you think. Voice assistants. Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri use NLP to manage your calendar, control appliances, and answer questions. Smart appliances. Fridges that track expiration dates, apps that learn your schedule, and lights that respond to your mood. Home security. Cameras with face recognition and AI motion alerts send live updates when something's off. Energy optimization. AI manages power usage, reducing costs and your carbon footprint. AI is quietly making homes safer, greener, and more efficient. Jobs and business automation. AI that works with you. AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's changing how we work. Recruitment AI. Tools like HireView analyze tone, speech, and even facial expressions in interviews. Project management tools. Notion, ClickUp, and Asana now offer AI-based task planning, deadline predictions, and meeting summaries. Document drafting. Chad GPT, Grammarly, and Jasper write emails, proposals, and blog posts, saving hours of time. Data analysis. AI summarizes spreadsheets, trends, and KPIs in seconds. AI is the ultimate productivity partner in the workplace. Benefits of AI in everyday life: speed and efficiency, personalization, 24/7 availability, reduced human error, scalability across industries from startups to global corporations. AI saves time, boosts profits, and enhances experiences. Challenges and concerns, but it's not all perfect. Job displacement. Some roles are being automated, especially in customer service and data entry. Privacy. AI tracks personal behavior, raising ethical concerns. Bias. Poorly trained AI systems can reinforce unfair biases in hiring, policing, and healthcare. Dependency. We risk over-relying on AI and losing touch with critical thinking. The solution? Responsible, transparent, and ethical AI development. What's next? Future prospects of everyday AI: emotion-aware devices, AI-powered clothing, digital twins, virtual replicas of people, AI legal assistants and therapists, multimodal AI, vision plus language plus audio. Soon, AI won't just be a tool, it'll be a companion, co-pilot, and collaborator. AI is already everywhere, from your kitchen to your career. Understanding how it works gives you an edge in this fast-changing world. Smash the like button if you've learned something new. Comment below. What's the coolest way you've seen AI in real life? Subscribe. Future Mind AI Trends. For more beginner to pro AI lessons. In the next module, we'll dive into ethics and AI, the human side of this digital revolution. Stay curious. Stay aware. Stay ahead.